One problem, one solution, and one affiliate program can lead to a full-time income online. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process on how to find a problem. I'm going to show you how to create the solution and how to promote affiliate links. So we're going to use examples of small blogs and small YouTube channels to show you exactly what you could do to get up and running. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to get started with affiliate marketing step by step. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. What we're gonna do today is I'm going to walk you through the entire process of affiliate marketing. We're gonna go from picking a niche all the way to creating content and how to promote your affiliate link. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing that you need to do is you need to find a problem. Some people call that picking a niche. Finding a problem, the terms are interchangeable. It doesn't matter, but that's step number one. There are a number of ways to find problems. You can look at what you do all day. You can look at recent purchases. You can go over to a website like trends.google.com, or you can even look at your hobbies. Let me give you an example of a few problems that I encountered today. I got up today at about 3:30 to take out my 4-month-old dog. That's a problem right there. After I brought him back in, I went to the gym. Today is arms day, so I worked on my arms. That's a second problem. When I got back, I took my kids to school. We had to pack lunches. Hopefully you're starting to see all of the different problems that you could find and potentially monetize. Another way that you can do it is you can jump over to the internet with a few different keywords or phrases. For example, if we look here, I'm using a free keyword research tool called Answer the Public. With Answer the Public, you enter in 1 or 2 different keywords, and it's going to give you a whole host of keywords that are associated. For example, I typed in "can dogs eat?" and people are basically looking up and asking the question, can dogs eat different foods? Potatoes, popcorn, eggs, and so on. That's a problem that people are encountering every single day. And let me give you an example of that. Our first dog, Sam, he went out to the garage of my parents-in-law. He came back and he had a mouthful of green stuff. We quickly realized that that green stuff was actually rat poison. And so what we did is we went to the internet and we looked up, can dogs eat rat poison? What happens when a dog eats rat poison? Eventually, we made a call to the vet, and the vet told us we should give him raw spinach, and that will help him pass the rat poison. Hopefully this story, A, giving you some ideas of problems that people go to, and B, hopefully you got a couple ideas of affiliate programs that you could actually use to promote this type of problem that we encounter. So you can use this free keyword research tool. What I like a paid keyword research tool. This tool, for example, is called Ahrefs or Ahrefs. It tells us that the term "can dogs eat?" just one problem is searched. There are 36,000 keywords and it's searched 4 million times per month. So over 4 million people run into a similar issue. They're asking about apples and grapes and pineapples, all sorts of stuff. And what we can do once we identify a problem, we can create content to solve that problem. Let me give you a couple examples. This website here, which shows up on the first page of Google, answers the question, can dogs eat cheesecake? If you notice here, there is at least one popular affiliate program that this person is promoting again and again and again. They're also doing a little bit of email marketing, but that's a different story for a different day. If we take a look at this paid keyword research tool and we look at all the keywords that this website's ranking for, you can see that they've identified one problem and they've created content. Can dogs eat hash browns and cheesecake and fruit snacks and smoked salmon? That's all they're doing. That's all this website's doing. And this is something that you can do too. You identify questions, you answer them, and then you can monetize. Now let's talk about all the different ways that you can answer the question. You can go out and look at different blog posts that are on the same topic. You can go out and look at different YouTube videos that are on the same topic. But if you really want to take your game to the next level, consult an expert. For example, if I wanted to know if dogs can eat cheesecake, I would call my local vet and say, hey, look, I'm writing a blog post on if dogs can eat cheesecake. Do you have 10 minutes to spare where I can ask you some questions? Now that'll give you some authority. It takes a little bit more work. It's a little bit longer. I know, I understand. But this will give you authority. You can ask questions. What can they eat? What will happen if they eat it? What are some signs to look for? if they eat cheesecake. Now, this is the best way to go, where you can build authority based on someone else's authority and credibility. Again, you can look at other YouTube videos on the same topic. You can look at blog posts on the same topic. You can reach out to friends and family. This is all going to help. Now, let me show you a few other examples of YouTube channels and YouTube Shorts that are doing the exact same thing. If we type in "can dogs eat bananas," for example, you can see that the top result here, 41,000 views from 4 years ago, 77,000 subscribers. If we keep scrolling, 25,000 subscribers. There are YouTube Shorts that are covering this topic. There is a teeny tiny account that has 553 views and only 691 subscribers. So any size account can do this. They've identified one problem. They've created content to solve that problem, and now they're going to monetize. Now, there are a number of ways to monetize. This blog took the easy route. They went with Brain Training for Dogs. It's a ClickBank affiliate program. They went for it because they would get automatically approved, I assume. But let's take a step back. Let's think about the story that I told a few minutes ago. There are at least 3 affiliate programs within that story. First, we looked online to see what would happen. The next thing that we did is we called a vet. There are programs out there that will pay you a commission anytime someone calls or reaches out to a virtual veterinarian. There are affiliate programs that will pay you. They don't even have to buy anything. They reach out to a vet to have a consultation, and it's called CPA marketing, or cost per acquisition, cost per action marketing, where you could make money just calling a vet. That's one way. The second way is with pet insurance. Someone like me, where our dog Sam was our only child at the time, would want to do anything and everything possible to make sure that he was healthy and safe, which could entail taking him to the emergency room. Emergency room visits for pets and anybody really is really expensive. And so someone like me would potentially want to invest in pet insurance. Do you think someone that is searching "can dogs eat cheesecake" would be interested in paying for a vet consultation over the phone or via the internet, or for pet insurance? The answer is yes. They'd be willing to. You could, if you wanted to get into email marketing, which is Affiliate Marketing 201, you could actually put together a list of foods that they could or could not eat. The checklist, the free guide, whatever you want to call it, would be 25 foods your dog should absolutely stay away from. You put together a list. People that are looking up "can dogs eat cheesecake" would also be interested in those other 24 foods. So they're going to want to join your mailing list. But hopefully you are able to see how one problem could lead to a full-time income. Now let's take a look at this small website. And what we're looking at, if we look at their overview, this website's a fairly new website. This website's only been around for about almost 2 years. October 2021 is when they started getting rankings. They rank for 3.4 thousand keywords. And it says that they have a traffic value of 417, but that's based on ads. It's not based on the affiliate commissions. And so what you're going to do, and I want to make sure that I keep reiterating it so that you understand, you identify one problem. In this instance, the problem is that the dog ate something, or dog owners want to know if they can eat something. You are going to create content to solve that problem, yes, no, and then give an explanation. You can also talk about signs and symptoms, foods they should avoid that are in the similar family. And then you can recommend products that are congruent or related to whatever it is that your topic or your niche is about. Affiliate marketing is really that simple. Now, is it easy? No. You will have to do this consistently and persistently over a sustained period of time. Doing 10 videos might not earn you a commission. Doing 57 videos, for example, if we look at one of these accounts, 57 videos could potentially make you $2,000 per month. But you have to show up consistently and persistently in your business if you want to see any signs of success. I can almost guarantee you that doing one video or one blog post isn't going to lead to a full-time income. But 100 videos, 100 blog posts might. And if we look at this website as an example, that's exactly what they did. They have created tons of web pages over this time in order to be successful online. And this is something that literally anybody can do. You can do this. They did it. And they should be your roadmap. They should be your guide. This should be proof to you that it is possible to start a brand new account in 2023, create content, and eventually start seeing a return on your investment, which is your time. Now that you know how to get started with affiliate marketing step by step, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for your free affiliate marketing planner. I put together a few free planners to help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to download your planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.